Dear students, 2026 JEE Mains is just 3 days ahead. Every mark plays a vital in deciding your rank. 3D geometry is very important topic where you can score marks very easily. So just I am discussing 10 questions in this video. With all my experience, I can assure you that one question definitely will come out of these 10. So listen patiently and try to achieve marks. Here in this question, what he given is he given line equation and plane equation. So there are four options. Line is perpendicular to the plane. Another is line is lies in the plane. Other is line parallel to the plane does not lie. Other is line cuts the plane. Here, let us check whether line lies or intersects. From the first line vector is 2i plus j plus 4k. Plane is given r bar dot I plus 2j minus k equal to 3. That means here plane normal is 1 2 minus 1 and line vector 2 1 4. Say this is a bar, say this is b bar. A bar dot b bar if you find 2 plus 2 minus 4, you are getting 0. That means this line is parallel to the plane. So parallel may be coincident. Now two options left over. It may lie or it may be parallel does not lie. Which is the correct option? If you take this point on the line does not lie, then just parallel. Point on the line lies on the plane, then we say that line lies in the plane. So this r bar equal to I plus j plus lambda time 2i plus j plus 4k, which is a bar plus lambda b bar, represents a line passing through the point I plus j. I plus j means 1 1 0. Let us check this point lies in the plane or not. So here plane r bar dot r means xi plus yj plus zk dot I plus 2j minus k equal to 3. X plus 2y minus z is 3. Substitute the point. So satisfying. That means point on line is on the plane. So therefore, the final option is second option. What I can say is line lies in the plane. Here, these lines, so DRs of first line or 1, 2, 3. DRs of second line -2, -4, -6. Say this is A bar, say this is B bar. From there, I can say B bar is -2 A bar. So lines are parallel. Whether they are coincident or not, the first line is passing through 1, 2, 3. Just substitute 1, 2, 3. Each term will be equal. This point you substitute in the second line x minus 1 by -2, z minus 3 by -6. Here it is 0, 0, 0. That means, so the point on first line lies on second line, which implies lines are coincident. Here, shortest distance between the two lines. Here he given two planes. Two planes is nothing but a line. So how do you find this line DRs? For this plane, you have a normal whose DRs are 4, 4, -5. For this plane, DRs are 8, 12, -13. So here, if you draw a line, this line will be perpendicular to both the lines. So DRs of this line, a vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is A cross B. 4, 4, -5. Here you get I -60 plus 52 -40 plus 52, 12 plus K into 32 -48. So which is -8I -12J -16K. That means parallel line. M is parallel to L, which implies DRs of M are -8, -12, -16. So here it is -4 times 2, 3, 4. You can simply, we can take 2, 3, 4 DRs of this line. So to find out the shortest distance between two lines, what we do is we take one point on the first line and we take point on the second line. Right. It is very convenient to choose x as 2, y as -2, z as 3, so that each term becomes 0, which gives you 1 point. And here, what I suggest you is you make z 0. 4x plus 4y is 12. 8x plus 12y, 32. Or here it is 2x plus 2y is 6. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. So we get a y coordinate. Once we get y here from this 4x will be y here is 2, x is 1, z is already we assumed 0. Then 1, 2, 0 is a point on the line which is in unsymmetric form. So I have taken 1 point on it. So here this line DRs are 2, 3, 4 on symmetric form. For symmetric form, DRs are 1, 2. So this is a shortest distance line. Shortest distance line is perpendicular to both L1 and L2. So here it is IJK 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 will give me. So I into 9 minus 8, J into 6 minus 4, K into this. So we get I minus 2J plus K. So here PQ is the shortest distance, which is projection of projection of AB on PQ. So which is equal to AB dot PQ by mod of PQ. So here you know AB will be just subtracting A from B, 2 minus 2, 0, 3. So here you get 1 plus 8 plus 3 by root 6. 12 by root 6, which is 2 root 6. It is the shortest distance between skew lines. So projection of a line joining on the plane where PQ 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, PQ DRs will be 3, 3, 3. Here you have a plane. So here it is so LM is projection of PQ on the plane. So here for this plane, normal DRs are 2, 1, 1 from this. So here find projection of PQ on 2, 1, 1. That is PQ dot 211. PQ will be 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3 dot 211, which gives you 6 plus 3, 12. So now PQ length will be 4 plus so here PQ dot this we got PQ length will be so 9 plus 9 plus 9 root 27. So projection of PQ on 211 is in fact we use formula A dot B by mod B. So here it is PQ dot 211 by mod B 4 plus 1 plus 1. This finally you get root 6 here root 6 root 6 2 root 6. Now Pn square will be PQ square minus Qn square. PQ will be we got 27 minus 4 into 6 24. So Pn will be Pn square is 3. Pn here is root 3. So value of K here is 3. So here in this problem you have to find distance of the point from the line measured parallel to the plane. So here you have a plane. Now here you have a point 382 distance measured from the line parallel to the plane like this. So what he is asking is PQ distance. Your line equation is given as this. To find out PQ, we require Q coordinates. Assume it as T, 2T plus 1, 4T plus 3, 3T plus 2. So PQ drs is 2T plus 1 minus 3, 4T plus 3 minus 8, 3T plus 2 minus 2. 2T minus 2, 4T minus 5, 3T. So here, this line, once it is parallel, it will be perpendicular to the normal of the plane. 3, 2, minus 2. So PQ dot N will be 0. That is 2T minus 2 into 3 plus 4T minus 5 into 2, 3T into minus 2, 0. 8T minus 10 minus 60, 0. From here you get 8T as 16, T will be 2. So which implies Q coordinates T you substitute here 5, 8 plus 3, 11, 6 plus 2, 8. So after getting P and Q, so PQ distance you can find it as just distance between the points 5 minus 3, 11 minus 8, 8 minus 2 square. 36 plus 13, you get 7. So here the distance of the point from the plane measured along the line. So here also distance from the point means generally we take distance, not this distance. He says the distance has to be measured along the line. So here is x equal to y equal to z. Here you have a plane he given. Right. So how do we find this distance PQ? First you find here line drs are 1, 1, 1, plane normal drs are 1, minus 1, 1. Angle between the normal and the plane cos theta you apply a dot b by mod a mod b. So here a bar is 1, 1, 1, b bar is 1 minus 1, 1, root 3, root 3. So you'll get here it as 1 by 3. So now PL is nothing but perpendicular distance from P to the plane. So here is x minus y plus z minus 5, 0. 1 plus 5 in place of z. 9 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 10 by root 3. Now you have a formula cos theta which is PL by PQ which is 1 by 3. So PL here is 10 by root 3 into PQ here is 1 by 3. So root 3 times PQ will be 10 root 3. This will be that. So another important model is here, if it is a parallelogram, angle bisector, angle bisector cannot be the diagonal, but it is a, what I mean to say, this angle and this angle are different. Once it is a rhombus, so diagonal will bisect. So here he given two line DRs. Once you make unit vectors 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So here you make a unit vector 3 by 7 because 9 plus 13 plus 36 minus 2 by 7, 6 by 7. You find here, so this is the A bar for us. Here is B bar. OP will be how much we get here is A bar plus B bar. So which will be the uh, one bisector. There will be acute as well as obtuse. So here you can get 2/3 plus 3 by 7, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by 3 plus 6 by 7. These are only DRs. So here it is 14 plus 9, 7 minus 6. Here it is minus 14 plus 18. So you can take it here it is. Anyhow, DRs are proportional. 23rd, 23, 1, 4 is the answer. For obtuse angle means here what you have to do is suppose it is L1, M1, N1, DCs, L2, M2, N2. If you want to find DCs of obtuse, you have to, instead of adding, subtraction will give you obtuse, right? And here if the straight lines, L plus M is lambda n here. So generally what we do is we substitute M in terms of Ln, we get Ln ratio, then L1 is to M1 is to N1, L2 is to M2 is to N2, then we used to find lambda value. But here you have a GMN plus FNL plus HLM is a standard model. AL plus BM plus CN 0. Lines determined by these are perpendicular. Then sometimes here MN means missing letter A, right? And more letters are there that comes in the numerator. So in that way you remember it. F by A plus H by C will be 0. Here it is Mn coefficient is 1, L coefficient. NL coefficient is F. Here it is 1. H here is 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So here we get lambda value as half. So this is the answer. So here this concept I already explained. Projection of a line in the plane. Suppose it is XY plane. Projection of AB on XY plane. For XY plane, normal will be along z axis along this unit vector. So BC is a projection of AB on z axis. That is AB dot K by mod K. Mod k is 1, simply AB. A here is you take x1, y1, z1, B x2, y2, z2. AB will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 dot 0, 0, 1, which is z2 minus z1. So these are this is what BC. AC square is AB square minus BC square. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1. BC square will be z2 minus z1 whole square. So this is projection of AB on xy plane. YZ plane will be this. Projection of AB on ZX plane will be Z2 minus Z1 whole square plus X2 minus X1 whole square. So dxy square plus dyz square plus dzx square is 2 times x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So you get it as 2d square. So he given this already, which is equal to 2 times d square. D square is 169 by 2. D will be. So all the best. Definitely these problems are going to help you. It's a fast revision and target oriented problems. Definitely you can get marks after listening to this class.